we are now starting to learn about the name of all 5 victims who died during Friday's tornado. 78-year-old Larry Patrick was found buried in the rubble of his home on Margaretta, and 60-year-old Renee Lyles lived in the Fountain Park neighborhood. When the tornado hit, she was thrown into her bedroom, and then the house collapsed. We have more about how you can help the victims' families on the homepage of KSDK.com. And certainly hate to hear that so many people were in their own homes taking shelter.
There were some storms earlier in the day in St. Louis. Storms killed at least 7 people in Missouri, 5 of those in St. Louis alone. We've got more than 80,000 people that are still without power. Fox Weather's Katie Byrne is live on the ground where the sun is coming up now, just starting to get a view of how bad the damage is. I was watching this on Fox Weather at home yesterday, Katie, and it was very clear. You could see it on radar. There was a tornado that went through the north side of town. How bad is the damage?
It's pretty widespread, Ari. When you drive around here, you're going to see